Hello everyone, I'm here to show how easy it is to integrate a payment gateway to your e-commerce website. So in this case I'm using Wix as my website builder, where I have various options such as to change background and add menus, buttons, so on and so forth. But on the payment gateway side, I'm using Razorpay as the medium in order to collect the cash or the payment through credit cards or anything. So let me quickly show you how easy it is to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway using Wix. So first thing first, let us add an iframe. So how do we add it? By going to more and we'll look for custom embeds and click on HTML iframe. So you will get a pop-up like this. So all you have to do is just choose where this particular button, the payment gateway button, should appear. You can choose whichever page you would like to have it. So in this case I'm just taking this page, which is called accessories, and I'm just setting my layout. Okay, once you think this is fine, now let's jump into Razorpay dashboard. So here, as you see, this is the Razorpay dashboard. In order to get the the link for payment gateway for our e-commerce website, first thing you will have to do is click on documentation, and you would see another page coming up like this. Click on develop and click on integrations. So furthermore, you would get a page like this giving giving all the information about other SDKs, then other e-commerce plugins. So right now I'm with Wix, so I'm gonna choose Wix plugin. When I click that, it gives me a clear documentation. How would you integrate this? So if you follow this up, it just says you go under embed and choose the HTML iframe, which is the same thing I've just done. And further down, if I go, so this is the simple code that we'll have to copy and go back to your Wix website, enter code. All you have to do is just paste this, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. You see here, the moment you paste the code, you get the dialog box to key in the amount, and further if you click the pay button, you can proceed with the payment. But before I demonstrate that, we should also do a small authentication, which is identifying the API key, which is very specific to your account. So in that case, I'm going back to Razorpay dashboard and click on settings and click on API keys. So I've already generated one for myself. If you have not, you can create one for yourself. All you have to do is just take this key ID, copy it, and go back to your Wix website, edit code. Here, do you see this? There is a parameter which says data key. All you have to do is erase the prefed syntax. You can just paste your API key in here and click update, and that's it. Your payment gateway is ready. I can quickly show you how this works in a preview mode. And so assume there is a payment which is 1000 rupees. All you can do is just click pay. You see here, and it asks for the number, and further it also asks for the email ID, and click on proceed. Oh, sorry, let me just alright, click on proceed. You see, the moment you enter, we are doing a payment for 1000 rupees. Further down, it gives you options. In what medium are you going to do the payment? Are you going to use credit card? Are you going to use net banking? Are you going to use your e-wallets like Paytm, Google Pay, MobiWik, anything, and the UPIs, or using any QR code? So all you can do is just click the medium, and further it asks all the details, and click pay. Your payment transaction is done. So this is how quick you would be able to launch a payment gateway in your e-commerce website. I hope this was helpful. If you do like this video, please like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you.